going to be showing you how to create cupcake swirls using some of the most popular tips, the 2D, the 1M, and the 2A. The cupcake swirl builds on the rosette technique. You just keep building up the icing, tightening the rotation to a center point. We'll be using medium consistency icing for this technique. I'm going to take you through the motion of piping a cupcake swirl. I'm going to be stopping and starting a little bit so that you can see the detail of how it's done. I'm going to start by showing you how to do a cupcake swirl with a tip 2D. I'm holding the bag straight up with the tip about 1/2 inch above the surface of the cupcake, and then I'm going to squeeze to form the center of the swirl. Without releasing pressure, I'm going to raise the tip up just a little bit and move slightly to the side. Now I'm going to pipe a line of icing toward the top of the star, and using a circular motion, I'm going to pipe a C until it connects to the starting point. After completing the first rotation, I'm going to move the tip slightly inward, and I'm repeating the circular motion. Continue spiraling until you reach the height that you want, and then end the spiral in the center of the cupcake. And I'm stop, squeezing, and pull away. That was tip 2D. Now we're switching to the 1M tip. I'm going to pipe a lot faster this time. So it's side, top, and around. Stop squeezing and pull away. Finally, I'm going to show you how to make a cupcake swirl with a 2A tip. It's also important that you make a tight rotation inward to create that upward cone shape. You'll notice my arm position is straight up and down the whole time, which is really important so that you get the vertical shape of the cupcake swirl. And that's how you make a cupcake swirl. You can either pipe your swirl all the way to the edge of the cupcake, or you can leave a little bit of cupcake showing. You can also pipe the swirl as high as you'd like it to be. It's really up to you. If you really want to dress up your cupcakes, consider using a color effect. These coloring techniques are so much fun and are going to add a nice pop of color to your cupcake swirls.